Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the third question of exercise 12.2. So it says, let's read it. A statue stands on the top of a 2 meter tall pedestal. So let this be the pedestal. It's 2 meters long. Next, from a point on the ground, and let this be the statue which is on the pedestal. Okay, so let this be some A, B, and C. Okay, so it says from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. So let's this some point B D on the ground, and from this point the angle of elevation to the top of the statue is 60 degrees. Okay, next he says from the same point the angle of elevation to top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. So this angle is 45 degrees. Next he wants to find the length of AB. Okay, so this is very similar to the second question. So here we can do this in two ways. Firstly, we can assign the height as h, then the length of AC would be h plus 2 meters. Next, we know the length of BC, that is 2 meters. Next, okay, in triangle BDC, angle D is equal to 45 degrees, and in triangle ADC, angle D equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so we have to consider two triangles here, that is this smaller triangle, that is DBC, and the big triangle, that is DAC. So first let's consider the smaller triangle. In triangle DBC, so okay, to find the length of H, let's find the length of DC, so that we can use tan to find the length of opposite side, that is opposite side of 60 degrees. So let's use tan D, that is opposite side is BC and adjacent side is DC. Next, tan D is equal to 45, therefore tan 45 equal to 1, and BB is equal to, so DC, therefore DC is also equal to 2 meters. Next we have, that is in triangle ADC, so let this be x, and we found the length of x equal to 2 meters. Next we have in triangle ADC, same. Now tan D is equal to AC by DC. Now tan D, we know it as D equal to 60 degrees, so tan 60 equal to root 3 equal to AC is equal to h plus 2, and DC we have it as x, or we found x equal to 2, so 2 into root 3 is equal to h plus 2. Next, h is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2. Now 2 times root 3, that is 2 into 1.732 minus 2. Now 2 times 1.732 will be 3.464 minus 2. So 3.1464 equal minus 2 equal to 1.464 meters. Since the length they gave it is meters, we consider it as meters. That's it. A statue. So let's read the question again. So a statue stands on top of a 2 meter tall pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation to the top of statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point, the angle of elevation to the top of pedestal is 45 degrees. Then the height of statue will be 1.464 meters. So the other method which I was telling was, we can find the length of AC, and then find the length of we already have length of BC. So after finding length of AC, if we subtract the length of BC from AC, then we can directly directly get the length of H. So this was the method I was saying earlier. It is very similar to this method, so you can try it. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for the next one. Bye. Thank you.